So here's a combination that I have rarely seen. This is straw and wood ash. Underneath the straw and the wood ash is peat moss and some compost. Well, it's cow manure, and the straw is going to add moisture or hold moisture. I shouldn't say add moisture. It's going to hold the moisture when these are potted. These are going to be tomatoes. So I will fill these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use new soil or just rejuvenate the old soil. Fill these up. Not quite warm enough yet, but pretty soon when it warms up, I'm going to plant tomatoes, and we will have tomatoes. They're up off the ground. They are about 2 feet off the ground. So again, keeping with my theme of the low maintenance garden where there's not a lot of bending and a lot of lifting. Over here, this has got to be cleaned out, but you will also see the wood ash here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half a dozen onions over here. And down this way is the okay. This is garlic, and I've also put wood ash over the garlic. I'm going to follow up, and there's a couple of more onions over here. So I'm going to follow up with some nutrients for this, and maybe I'll add some. Oh look, there's a couple of carrots over here. I missed those. This all has to come up anyway. So at any rate, I'll put some nutrients on here, and I'll probably add some more compost. I planted these back in the fall, so they should be ready sometime late spring, early summer. So that's it. I'm going to go check out these carrots.